Today I will be showing you how to create a very easy peekaboo rainbow using our Splat singles. Start by locating the section where you want to place your rainbow. Section off the area and apply reconstructor to the hair in the surrounding areas to protect it from the bleach. Apply Splat Lightening Bleach, making sure you saturate the entire section. Once hair is fully saturated, apply a piece of foil underneath the bleach so that it has somewhere to rest as it processes. Process bleach for a maximum of 30 minutes. Shampoo and blow dry, then start sectioning for each color. We used rubber bands to create clean, even sections. Once you're ready to apply color, apply reconstructor to stabilize foil underneath your section so that the hair can rest. Begin on either side of the rainbow. We are starting with Purple Desire. When applying color, try to keep sections separate as much as possible so that colors do not touch each other. Apply Blue Envy. Now apply Neon Green. We are jumping over to Orange Fireballs and we'll come back to Lemon Drop a little later. Now apply Cherry Pop. And finally, Lemon Drop. We are applying Lemon Drop last as it is the lightest and we want to make sure it stays separate. We wrap Lemon Drop in foil just to make sure it stays isolated and does not come in contact with the other colors. Process for a maximum of 30 minutes. Shampoo and blow dry.